That's how you lift the hood on a broken latch on a 2008 Jaguar. And it is this piece right here. This is the piece you need. This long piece right here. You gotta lift the car first. You gotta put it on a lift or get under the car some way, somehow. Let me show you what I did. So that's the latch right there. Try to get closer. Right there. There's two of them. There's one over there. And there's one straight up there. So that's about right there on the car, so you know. You take this piece right here, get up under here. I know it's all fucked up, but fuck it. So you see, you get up under here, right here. And you yank that shit left. Right there, you yank that shit left. Boom. Do it on both sides. Come over here. Come over here. Drop that shit. GG, where you at? Stay. Got the hood pop. I said, got the hood pop. Boom. Just like that. That's how you unlatch the hook. That's the one right there. And that's another one right there.